How to update your Reddit app. In order to update your Reddit app, you could simply watch this video right till the end. Now, updating your Reddit app can access or can enhance much more feature or the latest features. So what you need is to update. You simply want to open up your respective app store. As per the Android, you have to open up Play Store, and as per the iOS device, you want to open up App Store. And also, while doing this, you want to make sure you're connected to a stable internet. So open the application and tap the search bar right at the bottom and click on the search engine once again and type in Reddit on the search bar. As soon as you click on Reddit, you want to open this up and click on update. You could find the update button right next to it if the app needs to be updated, and this way you'll have successfully updated the Reddit app onto your device. That's how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.